All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So today we're going to be looking at a new set of earbuds that I got in. These are the Air3 Pros by SoundPEATS. Now I get a lot of earbuds in, but I love SoundPEATS because they're affordable and you get some good sound. So no pun intended. We're going to crack these open here. And I've had these actually for quite some time, but I just hadn't had time to get you a video out. But now that I do, these are $59 with 20% off. So be sure to hit that link down below. And I'm going to crack these open and give you my first impressions in this video. So keep in mind, this is first impressions. Now, normally with SoundPEATS, they're always going to have a good impression. These have Bluetooth 5.2, folks. So that is something that you should definitely take note of. They have active noise canceling and natural healing sound. So basically, your surround sound, your areas around you should be cool. Now, their traditional type of packaging, they don't spend a lot of money on packaging, but they do give you a quality set of earbuds. So this is what you will get out of the box. This is going to be your charging cable and some extra tips. As we crack this open here, this is your charging cable and the tips are buried way down in there. There they are. Now we get to the buds. Simple packaging. You get your manual down here at the bottom. Let me read this real quick matrix style. Ugh, I know everything about these buds now. So here's the case itself, the packaging. As you can see here, you have a little bit of SoundPEATS branding on them across the top here. This is kind of a soft touch, velvety feeling case. I didn't really think it was going to feel like this. Then you got your Type-C at the bottom down here. And you flip it around the front, you got a nice little design of like a hint of a shiny black area along the front there. And we crack it open. And here are the buds clearly labeled with the large L and R for left and right. So they are ready to sync. There's a green light, kind of a hue right there. You can kind of see it right there. And let's get a bud out. I can't wait to use these. Now let's check the case out. You guys know I'm big on cases, so it holds. All right, good. And it's a magnetic case. So already they get a little bit of praise from me for having a magnetic style case. Now this button on the back here is your syncing button if you need to sync them. But now let's take a quick look at the earbuds themselves before I try them on and tell you how they sound. Now this will be a two-part video, but you will in fact watch the entire thing through in one fell swoop while I get away and listen to these for a little bit and make some phone calls. So here is the design of the buds. You got a nice S on there like your Superman, but it's for SoundPEATS. You got a microphone there. And you've got more. You got your canceling. Where is it at? I think it's probably going to be where's the other mic at? Oh, there we go. I was about to say, man, I'm going crazy. So that's your counseling, and this is your mic back here too. So the earbuds themselves feel like a nice set of earbuds. They feel, obviously they're plastic, so they don't feel premium. But for $59, the kicker here is, are they going to be really good for noise canceling? So we shall see. So this rubber tip here can be changed out. Looks like they put a large tip on there to begin with, so that should be just fine. But I'm going to go ahead and stop now, and let me put them back in the case for a second. Let's see if they come out with a little shaking. Nope, they are good to go. So I'm going to get these paired up. I'm going to listen to some music, a couple of different genres, make some phone calls, and we're going to kick this thing off. $59 with 20% off, folks. You just cannot beat that. So hit the link down below if you're ready to purchase without hearing what I think and you want to judge for yourself. But most of the time, like I said, SoundPEATS, they're always good. So let's check these out, man. Let's see if I like them or not. All right, guys, so we are back with the next part of the video. So I was able to check out some music, listen to a couple songs. They sound really good. The first thing I want to tackle is the noise canceling. So the noise canceling is actually pretty good. As soon as I put them in my ear, I could hear the sound around me kind of dumbed down a little bit. And I thought that was important right away. These do have 12mm drivers if you're wondering about that. And they do have aptX as well. There's a gaming mode and things like that, transparency mode. But I think the most important part is the active noise canceling at this price point. It's really solid. I'm not going to say, oh, this is the best set of active noise canceling earbuds, but I will say that again, 60 bucks with 20% off. You do the math whether or not you would think these are going to be worth the purchase. And I can tell you right away on first impressions, they are worth the purchase. Again, not a sales pitch. I don't get any money from telling you this. They didn't pay me for this review. Wish they would have, but they didn't. But they didn't pay me for the review. But the point is, I'm all about getting the affordable products out there to people who don't want to spend the 150 bucks on earbuds, or not even more than 50. So this is a very good option. Build quality on these are really solid. Even though they're plastic like most earbuds, they're sturdy, they're strong. So if you drop these, worst case, you might get some scratches on them or something like that. But other than that, I think they're totally worth the price. Even at just 60 bucks, these are worth the price. If you can't get these on sale, at the recording of this video, they are on sale. But if you don't find them on sale, you're still getting I would say a really good deal at $60 for some quality earbuds. So another great part about these is the projected battery life. So these are projected to have 24 hours of total playback time. And obviously that's going to be with charging the case and on the earbuds. But I would say, I don't think that's too bad at all, folks. I mean, you've got a nice solid set of earbuds. You've got a good battery life projected for them. And the sound quality is off the charts. Again, SoundPEATS is known for having some really good sound. So I don't anticipate you getting these and complaining too much about them. I just don't see it happening. Now, some people might get them and say, hey, I don't like these. They don't have enough bass. They don't have enough highs. But I can tell you, when it comes to all the ranges, the mid-range, highs, and lows, I think you're going to be very surprised. If you know SoundPEATS products, you know that they have quality products. So in the end, the final decision is yours. You choose whether or not you want to buy these or try them out. If you try them out, leave a comment down below after you get them in the next couple of days or so, and let me know what you think about them. But it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Another one down for SoundPEATS, man. I actually really like these. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.